Hey, what's going on? It's your boy DJ TLM. Welcome to the breakdown right here on DJ TLM TV. In this series, I break down scratch patterns for my Saturday sessions videos to show you how to do those patterns. This is the pattern we're going to check out today. All right, so we're going to the transformer scratch for this pattern. We're going to start with our fader in the closed position, and you keep your fader closed and you basically tap it open every time you want to hear that sound. We're dividing the sound. So I'm going to do 3 taps on the forward motion and 3 taps back. Here's the important part. You have to really take care of the timing. The timing has to be right. We're not doing 3 identical taps. I can do that as well, but that will sound differently. I'll show you both. Let's do the correct one, the one I did in the video first. So you're starting in that closed position. On the way forward, you want to do 2 taps that are just quick taps. So tap, tap. The last tap, you want to keep the fader open a little bit longer to hear more of the sound. Then you close it, and you do the same thing when you bring it back. When you do that and you speed it up a little bit, you start to get a certain swing. Let me just show you what it sounds like if I would do 3 identical taps. This is also a transformer scratch. You can do this, but it sounds different. All right, like I said, you do the 3 tap pattern, and after that you have to do one more drag, meaning you're going to open your fader on the motion forward, and then close your fader and bring it back. Let's do the entire movement. So that's the entire pattern. It is a pretty basic pattern, but that timing adds a little degree of difficulty. So in the beginning, if you're starting with your transformer scratch, you can do the identical taps first and work from that. So the identical taps will be and then later on So that's it. Now you have 2 options, 2 different ways you can do this pattern. Have a lot of fun practicing. If you have any questions about the technique, make sure you leave them in the comment section down below. If you like the video, make sure you like the video, share the knowledge. This was the breakdown. I'll be back soon. If you're new to my channel or if you've been watching but you're not subscribed, please hit that sub, activate the notification so you won't miss out on any of my future videos, and it really helps out the channel. I'll be back soon. Thanks for watching. Peace.